this is a '06 GMC Chevy, same thing. I know a lot of people have some problems shrinking in the corners. Pretty much most of this windshield is relatively very easy, but it seems like the only issues most people usually have is in the corner of some windshield. So I think a lot of it just comes down to the repetitiveness, not overthinking it, and also just the muscle memory and just reading the film. So I'm just gonna go ahead and shrink this, and I'm basically just gonna focus more so on the corners because like I said, all the rest of this is relatively flat. So maybe I can do something that might help someone see how to shrink some of these, or just focus a little bit more in the corners. So you can see I did the H pattern across here, typically like any windshield, but what I like to do is just really let the heat do the work. Hopefully you can see this. And it doesn't matter what type of windshield I'm shrinking, I just let the heat do the work. I'm not so concerned with carding right away. Just let the heat do the work and read the film, because then you can see what's happening with this shrink process. And this will just pretty much lay down and you can see I just like to let the heat do the work. I'm not so concerned with carding anything. Just let the heat. So any type of corner, any type of windshield I do, I generally just like to heat it and just watch it before carding anything down. Just watch it. Watch the heat. Let the heat do the work. You don't need to card it every second. Let the heat do the work. And it's the same thing kind of even down here. Just let the heat lay the film down as best as it can before you start worrying about carding. I mean, you don't even have to start hitting this windshield with the card. Just look at it and see what it's doing first. Just be patient, slow down a little bit, read the film. The film will lay down. Hopefully you guys can see this. It's in view. Just let the heat lay the film down. You know, the heat is what's supposed to do the work, you know? So I just like to let that heat, let the film just lay down. Watch the film go to the glass. All right, so let's switch to the other side quick. I like shrinking on the passenger side because I'm right-handed. Now when